If you get this job or any job outside London, then you are balling. But if you get this job inside London, eh? Na real gbese be that oh. With house rent, internet bills, water bills. Yes, I mean the water coming into your house and the water leaving. Because you pay for the water coming into your house, the clean water, and then you pay for the one going out of your house, which is the dirty water. So with the water bills, with the your feeding, other expenses, transportation, and all that, will your healthcare assistant salary, £20,480, be enough for you? And will you even have any savings at all? Well, the answer is yes and no. If you want to know why I'm saying yes and no, then sit back, don't touch that dial. Stay tuned, watch to the very end, and I'll give you a critical analysis on why I say yes and no. Hey guys, welcome to your Taste Lifestyle by Chinemerem. If you are new on my channel, hello, my name is Chinemerem and you are most welcome. Please sit back, relax, enjoy my content. And there is a red subscribe button by the right side of your screen. Please click on that button to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell close to it so that when I post new content, you will be notified. And to my returning subscribers, the most amazing returning subscribers, I really appreciate you all. Thank you for coming back, for the love, for the share and everything. I really appreciate you all. So today we have a very interesting topic on our table. We've been talking about the healthcare assistant job opportunity that is available in the UK now for virtually anyone and everyone, regardless of your educational background and all of that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, or if it's your first time on my channel, you could catch up with the videos. There are a lot of videos about this healthcare assistant job that is in trend in the UK at the moment. But there is a very important thing we've not talked about, and that is the salary aspect of this job and how it can sustain you, whether you are single or you are married or you have kids, how it can sustain you and your family. Or the job should be paying you £20,480 before you can get the sponsorship to come to this country and work as a care assistant. You know what? I saw a funny post on social media when someone said, if you are earning about 2 million naira in Nigeria, then don't bother going to the UK for the care assistant, whatever. But the real question is, how many Nigerians earn even 1 million naira per month? Like, how many Nigerians can boast of earning 1 million naira even a year, not to talk of a month? How many Nigerians can boast of that? And in most African countries, how many people earn 1 million naira? If you are not a Nigerian, you can convert 1 million naira to currency you use in your country and you know how much I'm talking about. In my opinion, I would say this is a very golden opportunity of a lifetime if you want to better your life. I know there are some people that are very comfortable there, but if you are not, then this is an opportunity for you to use. Good news, I've seen some people that said they've gotten a job already. I'm super happy for you. Congratulations. And also, I hope to see you very soon. You know, I'm still looking for a neighbor. Please come to my area so you can be my neighbor. If you are coming to the UK and you're coming around my area, you can let me know and we could catch up. We could say hello to each other, okay? And for those of you who are yet to go for their interviews, I wish you the very best of success in your interview. Just prepare yourself, get yourself ready, and don't be too tensed when they call you for any video call or any call at all. Don't be too tense. Don't feel what am I going to say, or my accent is not too good, or that. No, your accent is as beautiful as you are. So don't feel like, and don't try to form. Some people, when they call them, they start to form. The more you form for these people, the more they don't understand you. Speak the way you really speak, and they will understand. But if you try to do all those ones, they will not understand you. And or when you have communicated, but it didn't go down well, it is assumed as zero. So don't give yourself zero by trying to be who you are not. Also, read resources and ideas on the interview questions they will ask you. You should at least keep yourself informed. So I've had people say that this £20,000 is almost like nothing. Like, you can't be able to save anything. It is nothing and all that. So if you are interested to know how much you'll be spending a month and how you can maximize your salary, this £20,480 you'll be earning per annum. If you want to know how to maximize it every month so that you have enough for yourself and enough to save, then watch this video to the end. I'll be giving you a critical analysis on how much you'll be earning a month, how much you tend to spend a month, and how you can save some for yourself. We are going to be doing some calculations, so get your calculator ready. But if your calculator is not ready, you know I've got your back always. Don't worry, I'm going to be doing every calculation for you. But if yours is ready, you can get yours ready so that when I make mistakes, you can correct me. Since I have my calculator here, I'll be looking down to calculate, and whatever I'm doing, you will see it on the screen. For an annual salary of £20,480, your expected take home is £20,480 divided by 12. You'll be earning about £1,706 a month. And do 20% of that because you'll be taxed. And 20% of £1,706 is £341. So every month you'll be paying £341 for your tax. That means your final take home is, as a care assistant, you'll be earning £1,365 a month. Now, what can £1,365 do for you? So I'm going to divide this analysis into two. I will do one for a single person and the other one for a family of four. So what can £1,365 do for you as a single person? Or if you intend to come in without your family, I'm just going to give you a flat estimate based on the average cost of living in the UK. You may save more or you may spend more, it depends, but take this as a rough estimate. So let's say as a single person, you rent a shared apartment or you rent a one-bedroom apartment because it's just you, right? Let's say you're paying £500 a month for whether your shared apartment or your one-bedroom apartment. Utility bills, that includes your gas bills, for your electricity bills, and every other utility bill, you're paying £120. And like I said, this could be more or less. So let's say your feeding and grocery shopping is £100 per month if you are eating more of English meals, and £150 if you're eating more of African and Asian foods. So I'm going to cap it at £100. You could spend more on feeding or less depending on you. It depends on how much you eat. And because you are just new to the UK, I'm assuming you don't drive, right? So you may have to transport yourself to your place of work. And let's say you're spending £70 for transportation. Maybe let's take out £60 if you're a lady for your hair, if you're making your hair and other self-care routine. That's why most ladies, when they come here, they barb their hair because you can't be bothered. You are a man, then add £20 to whatever our calculation here is. If you are married and your family is back home, you should send them something monthly for upkeep and all that, right? So let's say £150 for monthly expenses for your family back home. If you are completely single, then don't add this £150 to your own calculation. You have to pay council tax as well. You could be paying £80 or £100 or even more for your council tax. So let's make this one £80 for council tax. Then miscellaneous. Of course, something may come up within the month and you have to do that. The total you are spending for the month is £1,020. That is on expenses. And remember, your salary is £1,365. Let's subtract £1,020 from £1,365 and let's see what is left for you. So after that, you have about £345 for yourself at the end of the month. So a single person is saving £345 a month. And remember, you may save less because it depends on your area. You may save less and it depends on you and you as well. Now let's calculate what a family of four will be spending a month from this salary. And remember, you are still coming as a care assistant, all right? And you are still going to be earning £20,480. So as a family, you cannot live in a shared apartment. So you will have to rent a two-bedroom flat at least, since we have two kids. So I'm doing for a family of four, husband, wife, and two kids. So let's say you're living in a two-bedroom apartment and you're paying £700 a month, and your bill is about £200 because it is a family of four. You tend to spend more on bills. Then for feeding, let's say feeding £250 a month. In most cases, you may use more. Transportation for you is still £70. Then council tax is £100. Anything can happen. So let's cap out £200 for miscellaneous. So at the end of the day, the total amount of money you'll be spending a month is £1,520. Or more, that means you are, because you are getting £1,365 and you are spending £1,520. And how will you balance this? How is it possible to balance this? So this is where your partner will come in, whether it's the man or the woman. This is where you will come in. If the person that got the job is a man, and as the woman you're relaxing at home, thinking that he would cater for you all, in most cases it may not work because the man may get stressed out. Everyone gets their hands dirty, whether you are woman or man. And remember, this 1,365 pounds is for working 37.5 hours a week. That's why your partner can come in. So when you are resting, your partner can go out there and work. Your husband or your wife, whoever the dependent is, will take up a part-time job to support the main person working. And most part-time jobs, you may earn about 800 pounds a month. If you add 800 pounds to 1,365 pounds the main person is earning per month, you will have 2,165 pounds a month. Then when you pay 1,520 pounds, you will have about 645 pounds for the family, for the household, and that is what you'll be saving, 645 pounds. No wonder one will chase 1,000 and two will chase 10,000. Join forces together and you will do it. But if it's a me case, you case, then in most cases may not work. When your partner comes, your partner should get a part-time job, and the main person that is working can also take some rest because this job is not easy. Oh. I know people think, well, I'm just coming to feed people, to watch them, to dress them up. Care job is not easy. The reason I said the other partner should take up a part-time job is because of childcare. Already, you know you're coming with two kids, so you know childcare should also be in your box of the things you need to do. So imagine when the husband and wife are taking up full-time jobs, who will take care of the kids? But if you have grown-up kids, like they are about 15 to 18 years, you can leave them at home and they can do their bits. But if you have kids that are less than 11 years, especially, you can't leave them at home and go to work. So someone has to stay home to take care of them. And if you say you want to go and be paying someone for childcare to take care of your kids, why both of you work full time? You may find out that the salary of one person is going completely to childcare, and then you're using the salary of one other person, which doesn't even make sense at all. I mentioned London earlier. So people that are living in London and working in London, don't be scared, all right? You get high cost of living allowance for London, and this may be able to balance your bills, or it may not, but you can take up extra shifts a week to support yourselves. If you are working in the hospital, then you should ask your employer if there is any room for development or for any career growth, especially if you want to be a nurse. Healthcare assistants have more opportunities to become nurses, and I think it will be taken care of by your employer or by the trust you're working with. So just ask your employer and see if you are eligible for this. You can decide what to do based on your own circumstances. So I'll be sharing tips on how I make extra money per month apart from the normal salary. I can turn on your bell so when I share this my tips on how to make extra income, you'll be notified. If you are interested in that, then don't forget to let me know in the comment section and I'll bring it on very, very soon. It is very easy to get distracted. It is very easy. Try and stay focused, whether spiritually, physically, mentally, emotionally. Try and stay focused.
I hope
And
this
this is
helps
me
you in making
saying
your
thank you
decisions.
so much
If
for
a lot of people
watching.
did it,
And I
then
hope
you
you've
can also
subscribed
do
to my
it.
channel. And this is me saying thank you so much for watching. And I hope you've subscribed already. If you haven't, go ahead at this point, subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell because I've got more content coming your way very soon. So turn on your bell so that when I post, you get notified and you will come and watch. Until I see you in my next video. Do take care, stay safe, and bye.